Hi there, for today's Read Aloud, we are going to be reading a really fun book, but before we begin, I would like to go over the alphabet because this book has the alphabet in it, and so I thought it'd be good in practice to go ahead and say the alphabet together. So let's go ahead and begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay? So here's our alphabet. I want to point out one thing. How come I have two A's right here? What does that mean? Two A's, two B's? What does that mean? Why do I have two A's there? Well, one's a capital A and one's a lowercase a, right? One's a capital B, one's a lowercase b. So that's why you have one big letter and one small letter. One is a capital and one is a lowercase letter, okay? And I want to point that out because in the story we're about to read, you're going to see capital letters and lowercase letters, okay? So let's go ahead and get started on our read aloud. Does this book look familiar? Chicka, Chicka, Boom, Boom by Bill Martin Jr. and John Archambault. Have you read this story or have you listened to this story before? If you have, take this time to retell the story in your head. What was the story about? And if you have not read the story or heard the story, then you can use this time to make a prediction using the title, Chicka, Chicka, Boom, Boom, and the cover. So I'm going to give you some time to do that. Alright, if you need more time for your prediction or to retell the story in your head, just go ahead and pause the video. But let's get started. I chose this story, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, because it says we go over the ABCs in this book, right? And that's what we're practicing and reading. So I thought it'd be a really fun and good book for today's lesson. So Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Oh my goodness, sorry about that. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. So in this story, the letters of the alphabet are the characters in this story. Wee, said D to E, F, G, I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. And this part right here, it comes up in the story sometimes. So if you'd like, you can go ahead and sing along with me or chant along with me. Ready? Chicka, chicka, boom, boom, will there be enough room? That's what you would say with me whenever we come across this part. Here comes H up the coconut tree. And I and J and tag along K, all on their way up the coconut tree. There they go, up the coconut tree. Ready? Chicka, chicka, boom, boom, will there be enough room? Look who's coming, L-M-N-O-P. Hey, take a moment and think, are we saying these letters in alphabetical order? Thumbs up for yes and thumbs down for no. Yeah, so far we are. We're saying these letters in alphabetical order. We're not saying them out of order. We're saying them in order. And Q-R-S, so Q-R-S, and T-U-V, they're all going up the coconut tree. Still more, W and X-Y-Z. Is Z the last letter in the alphabet? Let's keep reading. The whole alphabet up the... Oh no! Okay, what do you think's going to happen? We can make a quick prediction here. Let's see. The whole alphabet is up on the coconut tree now, and the tree is starting to bend. What do we think's going to happen? What's your prediction? All right, if you need more time for a prediction, pause the video. But, ready? Say it with me. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. What happened? All of the letters fell out of the coconut tree. It was just too much for the coconut tree. It got too heavy and they fell out. Did your prediction come true? Thumbs up or down? All right, let's keep reading. Skit, scat, scoodle, doo, flip, flop, flee. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears, then dust their pants. Little dears? What do they mean by little dears? Remember earlier when we said the alphabet, I said you're going to see capital letters and lowercase letters. So here's the capital Z hugging the lowercase z. The capital R hugging the lowercase r. Do you see that? And here's the letter N. It's kind of hard to see. Help us up, cried ABC. There, ABC. They're going to go back up again. Next from the pile up, skinned knee D, and stubbed toe E, and patched up F. Then comes G, all out of breath. Do you see the letters? Here's F with the Band-Aid, and then E, stubbed toe E. See how it's kind of a little bigger? And then skinned knee D. See how they're hurt? So as I'm reading the letters and what's going on with them, see if you can't point them out, okay? H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. M is looped, N is stooped, O is twisted, alley-oop. Skit, scat, scoodle, doo, flip, flop, flee. Look who's coming, it's Black-Eyed P. QRS and Loose Tooth T. Hey, are we saying the alphabet in order again? What do you think? So far, yes? I think so. We're saying them in alphabetical order. Then UVW, wiggle jiggle free. Last to come, XYZ, and the sun goes down on the coconut tree. I'd like for you to take another moment to make a prediction. We're almost done because we know letter Z is the last letter in the alphabet. So, how do you think the story is going to end if you haven't read the story yet? What do you think is going to happen? All right, if you need more time for prediction, just pause the video. Let's find out how the story ends. But, ready? Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Look! There's a full moon. A is out of bed, and this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Ready? Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Hey, do you think the letters are going to go back up the tree again? Do you think they're going to go in alphabetical order, or they're going to go out of order? I think they're going to go in alphabetical order. All right. So I hope you enjoyed today's story, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Let's go ahead and take a moment and practice the alphabet again, okay? All right, so I have all the letters from the story, right? And remember, the letters were the characters in the story, so that was pretty fun. So I'd like for you to go ahead and say the alphabet with me one more time. Remember, we're practicing this in reading for the next couple of days, so it's always good to continue practicing. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good. Thank you so much for saying the alphabet with me. And one more time. Why is there 2 letter G's and 2 letter T's? One's a capital letter and one's a lowercase letter, right? All right, good. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's story, Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. You did awesome practicing the alphabet with me, and tomorrow we'll continue learning and reading about the alphabet. And then on the next slide, I'd like for you to go ahead and listen to the read aloud discussion, and we're going to talk about alphabet and Chicka Chicka Boom Boom.